Hello and welcome to another episode of Junk Journal with me. Today I'm going to be working with a happy mail I received from the lovely Amy, and she sent me so many wonderful things. She went way overboard with what she sent me, and I wanted to start off by showing you some of the fabric pieces that she included. So a lot of pretty florals and other beautiful designs. And I'm trying to sort through them a little bit and choose some that I would use as samples. This seems to be a book of samples of things, of documenting things I like. And I'm just choosing a few that I can put on some cards to slip into one of the pockets that I have. That's really cute, this tea thing. So I'm gonna go through these one more time and pick groups of threes that I think will work together. So there's two sets and there's a third set. So now I'm going to use this die cut, which I will link below, and cut that 3 times. And this is what it looks like once it's cut out of cardstock, and it even has this little slit. But I'm not going to use it for that. I'm just going to glue those fabric samples on there. So this is just a regular cardstock. I think it's like 200 grams. I got it locally, so I cannot link this, but you could use anything. And of course you can just make regular square cards. You don't need a fancy shape like this. So now all I'm doing is taking my pinking shears and cutting out samples of each of these fabrics and then gluing those down in groups of 3.
I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you looked at me, and it's hard to explain it. But thinking about you makes me crazy. All the things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating.
Okay, so remember we have this little pockets that I haven't done anything with yet, so I'm going to stick those 3 sample cards in there, and they fit perfectly. And now I of course have to decorate at least that one side for now. And I wanted to show you some of this other beautiful ephemera, and this was a letter I got from Amy, and I just wanted to share all the goodies. I've already taken a few pieces out, but yeah, it's crazy. The amount she sent me is crazy, but they're such cute things, and I love them all. And thank you again so much, Amy. This is incredible.
I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friends said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us.
Okay, so I picked out a few things that I thought might work on that pocket, and I just love these, I guess they're Project Life cards, I think. We don't really get those here, so I really enjoy those a lot. And I like how they fit together with their pastel colors. And I love that there's a house on that one, because that kind of symbolizes like the house inside has a lot of fabric for, you know, for furniture, for curtains, whatever. And so I think it's very cute to have the house in the front and the fabric inside the pocket. And of course it needed a little more decoration, so I thought I would try some of that beautiful lace that she tied the fabric pieces up with. So I'm going to just cut off a piece of that and glue that down with my glue stick. And then I also wanted to add another piece of something up on that right corner, and I didn't really want to use the lace again. So I decided to go through this package of really cute smaller ephemera. These are so gorgeous, oh my god. So I found that one that says thank you, which goes there perfectly. The colors are so cute. I just had to cut off that edge a little bit, or the right side, and it's perfect. So the thank you is for you, Amy. Thank you for all these lovely things. I love how that pocket turned out. And in the next episode I will do something with the back side. So this was her lovely letter. And I don't really want to show you her text, but I did want to show you what she included. So it looks like she printed this beautiful floral image on this acetate, and the stamp is so cute as well. So of course I have to keep that letter in my journal, and I'm going to just be adding that with some washi tape that she had used for her packaging, and I think it's really cute. But it's too wide, and I just decided to half that and just reinforce it with some glue, and then to just glue it in between my pages.
When I'm I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friends said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasting something that was good right from the start.
I also wanted to add this cute Easter card, of course. And I was just trying to find a page where I would like it, and I really loved how it looked on this page with the dark background. And since there was brown on the left page, I think it worked really nicely with the brown on this card. So this journal is really turning into an Easter journal. I love it though. And then for these round shapes, I thought I would just do a very quick page and add some stamping to it. These are my Recollections clickable alpha set stamps. I got them at Michael's. Apparently you can even find these on AliExpress. One of my viewers wrote me. So maybe if you search for clickable alphabet stamps, maybe you'll find something similar. I know Amazon has them as well. Not the Recollections brand, but other brands. Exactly the same thing. I love them. I use them in so many of my spreads. You know that if you've seen some of my videos. So I just stamped the words live, laugh, love. Or live, love. Yeah, live, laugh, love. Because I just love those in combination. And so I thought I would add one of those words to each of the circles. And by the way, this tearing ruler I got locally, but if you search for it on Amazon, they do have some there as well. So all I'm gonna do now is just to glue those on the circles and then glue the circles down on the page. And it's just a little collage, but it's so cute. I love the colors. It just makes me happy. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friends said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed